we're going to Boracay! Louder! Let's go!
Yung harap ng hotel, no? Guys, this is what our bathroom looks like. Okay na, thank you po.
What time tayo?
Now and then 8:30. Let's go!
Nanonood ka ba din kaya? For grad. I'm flat.
Okay, let's go.
Mag-hi ka na, kuya. Nandito po yung na-interview ng Jessica So.
Hindi ako yun, ma'am.
Ay, hindi ba ikaw kasama? Kala ko magpapa-autograph na ako.
Lumipad ang aming team.
para makita si...
Para makita si Kuya. Si Kuya Junji.
Saan kayo?
Kuya, dapat major discount niya.
Oh, sige na Kuya Junji.
Na nga, ma'am, ibigay ko na lang sa inyo 3.5.
3.5. Oh, sige, snap po na kuya private. Bilis na may kausap.
Ayan na.
Island hopping, land tour, parasailing, parasailing, 4 packs, UFO, Sundance.
Total na. Ibubuk ko to lahat, ma'am. Pag once na nandito na yung ticket sa akin, no cancellation.
Hindi mo ng 27. Ang sarap mag-emote sa sa beach. Tanggalin mo na yan, 600.
Bigyan niyo ako. Charot.
Kuya, parang ayaw mo na ata.
Di ba lumapit ako dito?
Pag-gawin tayo dito. Ma'am, pala i-explain mo natin. Dito kasi ma'am, bawal mo money involved na natin. Doon na lang tayo, ma'am. May CCTV naman doon, ma'am. Then you will take picture from my ID po.
Okay, perfect.
Kasi bawal dito.
Ay, bawal.
Nawalan ako ng lisensya.
Okay, perfect. Kung tayo sa may CCTV. Kasi papa mo, saan po? Dito po. Picture mo. Kaya pala naman tayo.
Imamark ko na lang dito yung ma'am. Doon na lang pagbalik.
Sige po. Tapos dito magbabayad.
Para naman illegal yung ginagawa natin.
Bawal talaga ma'am yung pera doon, ma'am.
Ito po.
Thank you. Kailangan ko, ma'am.
Sige po. Ayan kuya, dalawa na yung CCTV natin. Ha?
Eto pa.
Ito pa, gawin mo na
5 ma'am. Mark ko na lang, ma'am. Wait lang.
Sige po.
Bago ko bigay sa inyo yung...
Okay po.
Bawal talaga doon, ma'am.
Bakit po bawal? Kung matanong lang.
Hindi, yan yung policy kasi ma'am ng LGU. Kahit saan dito na beach, ma'am, bawal tumanggap ng pera. Sa mga tour guide for nito.
Thank you so much po. Sige kuya.
Maganda yung boat sa Island Hopping.
Ang bala siya.
4-4,
68, 66.
Sige, picturean na natin.
Tap lang, ma'am. Bawal.
NFC ba yan?
Ay!
Shala!
Tatawa ko yan sa may subayan ko.
Inside. May ano dito? Sulat.
Sulat.
I think approved.
Approved.
Yes!
Look
we're excited
for Kuya, what's his name?
Kuya Junji.
Kuya Junji.
Here in front of
Dimo.
Island Trip Coffee Shop.
In front of the Dimos.
In front of Mang Inasal and Choke and Jollibee sign.
And Mandarin.
Tapos dito sila.
Nag-trending yun ang lako. Baka hanapin ako dito, mama.
We got a great deal for
Almost
Like 10
everything.
activities.
Yeah, almost everything.
so pack na yung schedule namin. Wala nang free time.
Wala nang bawian.
Oh my God, party jeep!
This is the pre-game, guys.
Party jeep! Oh, ayun. Party jeep!
Sweater.
Eh,
Kuya More!
louder! Sober yan.
Sober yan guys, by the way.
Wala tong alak ha.
Wala siyang
Wala
alak.
tong alak.
Normal steak niya yan. May tama na talaga siya as a
I know, right?
The either ISO.
The ISO ng...
Let's offer.
Wait guys, effect na lang yung ano
Oo. May,
Yung blurred.
may blurred effect. Ayan. Okay.
Okay, go. Aura. Sige. Oh, sino ka dyan? Oh.
Ayan. Go. Okay pa, go.
Okay, go.
Laban nyo yan, guys.
Wala.
Kaya pa i-backward yung... Wait.
Oh my gosh! I think I got the shot!
Our winner today!
Thank you, Julian, for negotiating with Kuya Junji. Thank you, Kuya Junji.
Thank you, Kuya Junji, kasi nagpa-scam ka.
Kuya, nascam ka ni Julian.
Na-scam ka ni Julia.
Kapal mga bolero.
Solid talaga. Oh. Oh no, cause we need the... Right.
Oh.
Thank you, Julian.
We got a good deal.
Thank you, Julian.
Good night, guys. Good night, guys. Here na.
Magiging kwento yung action. You should stay away from each other talaga.
Ay,
Stay away from each other daw, Brad.
joke naman, Julia.
Morning po.
Alas 8. Sakto. Ilang kayo lahat, ma'am?
4 po.
4.
Okay na po.
Balik na lang sa guide, ma'am. Thank you,
Sige
ma'am.
po. Okay na po, kuya.
Are you renting goggles now?
Opo. Pero pagkano po? Sige, pero ano yun, di ba?
Ilan mo dalawa?
Okay.
Bili tayo ito.
Good morning po. Di okay na po.
Baka mahulog kayo.
Hindi po, okay na po. Thank you po.
May na pala ngayon.
So nga, no? Hi guys, we're going cliff jumping. And kami lang ni Brian.
Yes. Nagsasunbait yung dalawa.
Yep. Ay, good morning po. Ito po. Dalawa po. Okay na po. Saan na po? Diretso.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Gusto mo i-try yung
That's
5 feet first and then 10 feet?
50
Or-
na tayo. Ikaw. Sige, pwede. 5.
15 or 50?
1.5. But we can warm up
Ikaw
first.
kasi sanay ka eh.
Sige, Annie. I'm G, Annie. Up to you, bestie.
I'm scared. How do you usually land? Like,
Straight lang, kasi pag nag-bend ka, sakit sa
masakit,
puwet.
no? Okay, ayan. Other people are doing it.
Sometimes if I'm scared, I won't scream din eh.
Pero grabe yung lula.
Mas sumisig ako pag I'm having fun. But if I'm scared, walang voice.
Feel ko, kaya ako okay sa 15 yun kasi nakikita ko. Pero pag andun na ako, wala.
Sige po! Sige po!
Guys, fish diving and swing.
I love the swing.
I love the swing. I think one of the highlights already.
Yeah.
Sobrang saya.
It was the swing, bro. It's so
Ang
good.
saya. I'm so glad we went.
Diba?
Leah!
Yeah. So I feel like I'm gonna get pasa because I can't jump straight ever since I was young.
Yeah.
And then I showed Kuya. Kuya, it's normal ha. Ganito yung nangyayari
Ganito yung
sa akin.
pasa. Tapos sabi ni Kuya, para kang napadel. Sabi niya para nahazing si Julie.
No, because I swear I can't jump straight talaga. Yun yung problem ko. Guys, I can't jump straight. I can't balance. Well,
Surprisingly, I can jump straight.
Hi guys, so we're going to eat here at Unlocks.
Gusto ko maghubad kasi pinagpipiliin mo ko yung mga pangalaman. Kung saan ko ako yung dadamit na buwang.
Hindi na bang mabuhay?
Hindi na po.
Not today.
Don't eat challenge.
Yeah. Ayan na sila!
Kain na po.
Let's eat, guys!
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Hi guys! So today we're going to do our land tour. It's afternoon now. Guys, everyone's tired. Like, look at them.
Sabi ko kay Chick kanina, baka kailangan ko ng kape.
Sabi niya.
Yeah, we haven't had coffee. The island hopping took us out.
Yeah, because it was so... To be fair, it was so early. Like, we woke up 6. And then, we prepared and everything. Tapos, ang dami rin namin, like, dala pa. Plus, na parang ako nagpitin. Sorry, Brian.
Sabi ko, ang dami ko pang dala.
But like, we had to prepare so much. Plus, parang nagpalit-palit, change pa. Oh my gosh, guys, nalulutang ako. I think naalog yung brain ko sa dagat.
Snorkeling.
Oh, yeah. Parang no. More like juice ata. Okay, so guys, let's go down. I'm gonna tour you guys around. Lock in. Welcome to Keyhole. So the weather today is sunny with huge wind and low tide. Walang kwenta mo like forecaster to. Oh, it's closed. Or is it just there talaga?
Ay, close po.
Really?
Ay, bawal na po? Marami. Hi guys, apparently it's now closed, so don't go na sa keyhole because this is what you will see.
Yeah.
Just the hole. But you cannot enter the hole.
We just walked to like wake ourselves up.
Let's just take a quick 0.5 and then
yeah.
Okay, we're here.
yeah.
Like
Okay.
We were here.
we were here.
Okay now.
Say hi everyone. Keyhole.
Keyhole. So may reason naman guys, ayan no, keep away from the rocks. May
Relics daw kasi.
Yeah, kasi nahuli na daw yung mga rocks. So yeah, we have to be cautious.
Your life is more important than that picture, guys.
Really? Mamaya ah.
Pero kanina parang nung nasa okay lang na mahulog ako. Para makuha namin mo siya.
Okay lang na mahulog na siya sa... Kasi ingatan lang niya yung camera.
Like and bro.
Himente. Should we go to Puka Baba or no na?
No na.
No. Kuya, wag na pong po ka.
Dinimid na lang po.
Opo.
Thank you.
Thank you po. We're so tired na talaga. Ay, hindi. Kuya, I'm so sleepy. I don't even want to take pictures anymore.
Hindi, kaya natin to.
Kaya ni Kuya na to. Hey guys, so yeah, ganda-gandahan lang today.
Ang sakto. Kuya.
So,
Okay. Ganda nung tan line, Julian. Kumain sa bansa, okay. Sorry. Okay. Gusto ko may fat boy po si Kuya. Okay. Ice cream!
It's so early. And we're...
hi guys, it's only 1 a.m. and we're done partying.
Yeah. Guys, this is
Oh my god, they're on the boat. Yes, this is us. We're gonna get dropped in the water. I'm so excited for that! Guys, they said the water is warm. Yeah. Because it's so cold.
If it's cold, the water is warm. If it's hot, the water is
Cold.
I love the water. Give me the water. That was fun. I love it.
Okay guys, start now, level 1. Okay, yung level 2 natin, mag-left and right po tayo. Okay? Left and right. Okay, ang level 3 natin, si circle naman tayo. Para please, hindi pa rin kayo bumaba. You got it. Ikaw ma'am, nahihilo ka rin?
Hindi na, girl. Sama na ako, kuya. Sabi tayo, Brian. Docu na lang kami today.
Tokyo Drift.
Dalawa
Wala na.
Surrender.
Are you okay?
Matibay ang
Kaya ako huminto, alam mo bakit? Kasi yung paa mo ma'am, baka masipa mo si sir. Oh. Kaya sa gitna sir. Kasi alam nyo ba't ko ginawa yan? Kasi ang paa ni ma'am alam na ni ma'am paano ang sistema eh. Parang ganun na lang. Kung magpahulog na kayo, tumalun na kayo. Naiyak eh. Ha? Ay wag, susob-sob.
You look so happy.
Susob-sob lang.
Oh my God!
Okay lang kayo? Okay lang?
Brian, okay ka lang?
Okay. Alam mo bakit tuminto ko, ma'am? Dumagan na si Sir sa himoy. Nadaganan ka.
Baka mas marami pa siyang pasa bukas.
Bro, ay, bago siya makauwi ng Manila.
Buong legs niya.
Buong legs niya, buong katawan niya, puro pasahan na. Parang siyang binubuo.
Ay, ibig sa side, adventure, no?
Oo.
Sobra.
Trekker yan si ma'am, trekker. Nawawa siguro ang boyfriend nito kung magkataon.
Baka kumayaw na.
Kasi sanay na sa ano, bukan eh.
Baka siya palang bumugbog. Hindi yan nabubugbog.
Sawa na ako sa pasa, ikaw naman.
Brian, kaya pa ba?
Ano nangyari doon?
Gumanon yung legs niya.
Nag 180 degree.
Guys, book Kuya John G to get the John G experience. Ay, ikaw ata mahuhulog ah.
Head mo ba?
Opo. Sige po. Thank you po. Sige. Ingat po, kuya. See you later. 4:45 ay tayo.
Grabe, para kami nagbugbugan ni Jordan sa UFO.
Jay and I were having so much fun watching.
Sobrang tawang-tawa kami kasi
Get the coffee.
yeah.
Let's just take out.
We
Yeah.
take out and then,
And then we go.
trek back.
Guys, alam nyo, buti magkakasundo kami sa itineraryong lahat.
Like, there's always an activity that at least half of our group wants to do.
Yeah.
So may
At
may
least
like
half.
ano siya, may body system.
My body system depends on the activity.
Yeah, like if you go, we go. Wherever you want. Let's
Yeah.
just compromise.
And even
puntahan
even
lahat.
the like the food and stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah. That's good.
we're good at sharing food. Because we have Leah, so she always orders so well.
Have that pick.
Don't. Naka na naman, G!
Kuya Belmont.
You know how many times, guys, na ibang direction yung pinupuntahan ni G?
I think pagod na ako, guys. Feel ko lang naman.
Di mo sure pa.
Hindi ko sure.
Sure ka, kuya. Ay, ako na po. Wait lang. Kaya na. Sige. Wait lang. Kaya nga po. Well, I think kapalit at yung bag ko nandyan para... Ay! Sana maganda yung video, no? Guys, that is my hairspray.
Oh, that one?
Yeah. Ready?
Oh, it's still playing. Hi! Kakatapos lang namin nung parasailing.
Party time!
Ah, dinner time! How was the parasailing
It
experience?
was fun.
Tumayo siya.
Yeah.
We can go there.
And it was so funny kasi sabi ni Leah, walang mababasa kasi she went here na. She
Yeah.
did the parasailing. And
Yeah.
she was like, no, walang mababasa, hindi kayo mababasa. Guess what, guys?
Unang salpa ko as in, ako yung unang naanuhan ng wave as in,
Basang-basa.
buti hawak ko pa yung phone ni G.
Actually-
Kasi pinipicturean ko siya.
And then si Leah, nasub-sub siya. Insert clip again. Hey!
Oh my God!
Nakita mo ba yun? Nahulog si Leah.
Ako nakita ko yun. Spotted cam.
Tapos,
Sana clear
unang
yung
sinabi
video.
ni Julian, sana okay yung video. Hindi ba lang sana okay si Leah.
Peter, see it.
Kaya sure na dala. Life hack, guys.
Life hack.
Baka halatang gala.
Walk in early, guys.
Exactly.
We don't have to line up. Guys, we don't line up. That's why we always pay for a table and then we
Line up, yun lang tactics.
yeah. And then nag-regret kami last night for that table.
Bro, 20. Magkano 10?
10.
Bleep, bleep, bleep. Kasi baka pagalitan kami ng magulang
Ay, oo nga.
namin.
So anyway, nag-walk-in na lang kami
mag-walk-in
ngayon.
na lang kami ngayon. 8:44 p.m. right now. And we're going back to the hotel to freshen up. And then we'll go back to around 11:30 p.m. Okay guys, so we're so tired. It's 11:29 p.m. But ipupush namin ito. We're just waiting for our e-drive.
Reunited! The party people!
Ganitong oras mo biyahe siya.
Like,
1 AM yun.
Kuya, ang galing mo! I love it!
1:30 ako umuwi eh.
Kami pala yung huli.
Tayo huling huling hatid.
Kayo rin yung huli kong ihatid mo yun.
kami ulit
Parang kapan lang yun, di ba?
Gabi.
Kagabi lang.
Kami na nga lang.
Kuya, gusto mo bukas din.
Yung palit.
Hi guys, it's 11:42 now and we're just on our way to Sunnyside Cafe because we woke up late. We were so tired last night.
Yes. And I hope it's a dead hour so that we can get the good seats because it's usually overpacked with people. And I feel like there's a lot of people because it's a Sunday. It's a Sunday, so people might just be flying out today. Like after. No?
I don't know if you guys wanna see my pasak because it hurts talaga every time this e-trike bounces. But look at my pasak. So, we're done eating at Sunnyside Cafe. The food was kind of mid lang. I don't really recommend going there. And now, we're looking for some coffee. Baka sa The Seasons. And then we're going straight to Mango Mama.
Arsha sa water. Kasi for Arsha dun.
Kaya sinasabi ko kay Leah, you have to remind me if I have to go out of the water.
I don't think remind you yung tamang word. I think we need to drag you. Drag you out of
In
the
the shore,
water.
and then she's like, Bestie, I'm going at 10:40. And checkout is at 11.
11.
Julian! Ano na? Anong dyan na aeroplano?
And
Ano
then,
ba lalabas dyan?
and then she's like a mom telling me, hindi ka nag-apply ng Sundance. I thought mag-a-apply ka na. Because I told her,
Mama.
Julian is the type to say,
5
more minutes.
Take every hour to put sunscreen. Hindi, 4 hours siya sa tubig.
4 hours sa water. You can sit there. Ah, it's closed?
Wow, that's sad.
Guys, we have no stocks left for Mango Mama, so let's check Ube Mama. Pa? Thank you. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna crash out. I need my ice cream.
Yeah, bro, it's so hot. Dude, oh my gosh, we went over.
We walk for nothing. Let me check how far that is from here.
Pag yun wala pa rin, oh my lord, I'm gonna... Guys, it's so sad. Like, I'm so sad. We walked all the way here. And I'm wearing heels, by the way. So, like...
Biglang nag-trike na going to the
Actually, gusto mo ba?
to the other Mango Mama.
Ang layo eh.
It's 5 minutes. And then we can just try going back to Astoria.
Yeah.
By Leah, I'm gonna iwan you first because I need that Mango Mama. Let's get a try.
Yeah.
Yan sa Timon mo, meron diyang Mango Mama.
Uy, ubos na kuya. Nag-crave kami.
Yes, madam.
Ma'am, may available po. Ay, buti naman po.
or banana?
Mango po. Po.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy, bro. I'm so happy.
Sabi niyo kaya picture lang daw.
Do you think we can request for them to open this?
I think I just wanna lay in my bed. I love their mango juice. So good. It looks so good, guys.
At the cruise, I was drinking.
No, switch it up, girl.
Can I take your pic?
No, it's guys. I hope you know how ironic it is that out of everyone in this table, I'm the only one who's not drinking a cocktail. The only one.
The only one with a juice.
Yeah.
Muna sila. Tapos, biglang
Galing.
Guys, we're gonna be magjowa na lang. Kasi wala talaga eh.
Wala talaga. Same kami ng type, guys, by the way.
Guys, this is the lavender marriage.
Yeah.
Talaga na.
The lavender
Yeah, you know, we always say na if it's straight, it's for me.
And it's gay, it's
gay, it's
for me or her.
Yeah.
Me or her. And we always unintentionally match.
Oh my god.
Ever since the onion.
Ever since the union talaga. And you know, it's so bad. It's so bad that even people from the cruise, they thought I was straight.
Oh no.
No,
Girl, I feel like it's a
pinipiti
cup
ko
talaga.
naman. Pinipiti ko naman.
kulang pa daw.
Kulang pa.
Girl, I feel like take off the cap.
You know,
But I don't like my hair.
every time we go out, we're like, pwedeng lumayo-layo ka muna sa akin.
Guys, we were at the cruise and basically everyone was gay. There was a
Yeah.
groups actually. Groups. They were all gay.
They were all gay.
They were all gay and they were dancing ganon. And then when we were going down, we were at the port,
Yeah.
like at the shore. Someone from their group talked to me and they're like, "Oh, you're straight, yada yada yada." I'm like, so actually,
I'm not straight.
I'm gay. I'm baklang bading. I'm queer. Whatever you call it. Like, I'm with my girlfriends. Space. Big space, capital S at the end. Ang hirap naman, parang paano pa to?
Single, feel dapat meron na siyang ano.
May tag?
Oo, may tag na.
Bading, ganun.
Bading. Gay po ako.
Bading bakla? Ano to? Hirap eh.
Lalaki po gusto ko.
Pareho kami type. Ganun. Guys, Tol Moreno. Na
Ato,
batak.
Moreno, Batakay. Who
Batak
loves
na
the sea.
may hilig sa physical activity. Hirap kasi pareho din kami ng
Cardio,
gustong gawin. Lahat ng activities kami magkasama. Paano na lang?
Ang hirap-hirap na.
Solo ka na lang.
Oo. Pwede solo-solo.
Pwede, same tayo.
Pero
kung-
magkahiwalay?
Oo, magkahiwalay. Kunwari, I don't know you, you don't know me. Tapos naman sa cliff, dapat I'm a lost princess. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared to jump.
Ako din, I'm a lost princess.
Can somebody
Scared to jump.
Can somebody
Can somebody help me?
Oh no, I think I should start at the 5 feet.
Can someone go with me 5 feet
I'm
and then
so
6?
scared.
I'm so scared. Help me.
I think it should be like that. Kasi kanina talon tayo agad eh. Dapat like,
Oo nga, ipakita ang gilas agad.
paano ba to?
Dapat konti pa, bebe.
Oo, kuya? You can go ahead. You can go ahead. I'm scared kasi.
Ako na nanay ko, guys. Wait lang.
Ay, nagpe-play pa ang tanga, nakakainis.
Nakatitik.
Okay.
Are we gonna meet here na lang?
Yeah, we'll go there. Let's go to Ube Mama. Hi guys. So, it's our last night.
Wait, let me
and
get my mic because I think maingay masyado.
it's our last night. Ube. Hi. Okay. So, it's our last night. We just had dinner at Epic. They had really cheap cocktails. I didn't drink, but they did.
I didn't.
Oh yeah, Julian had a mocktail. I had a mango shake
For the
Eh,
first time.
for the first time. So that was the first time for our whole stay in Boracay that I didn't order alcohol. And that's refreshing. Kasi nasulit ko. Excuse me po. Because nasulit ko yung sa cruise and I was so tipsy. So I didn't order a drink. So now, we just got some souvenirs at Islands. And we're getting a sweet treat. So me and Leah wanted a something mama. At magkaiba.
Any mama.
Any mama. Ako, I wanted ube. And then Leah wanted coco. So,
Fire dance.
may fire dance. Naghahanap si Julian. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Guys, kumakain ka lang tapos lalagyan ka apoy.
Sa kalbo pa.
Wala talaga na yung buhok.
Sorry.
Ayun guys, oh. I attended the wedding.
Yeah.
And then the host was playing a game and it was like a riddle game. And he asked someone, paano maligo ang kalbo? Paano mo malalaman kung naligo na yung kalbo?
Anong sagot? May sumagot.
And then the right answer is tatanungin. And then the host went to my dad.
Paano nagsashampoo yung dad mo daw? Nagsashampoo ba siya?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Tatanungin ko nga siya. Dad, naligo ka na ba?
Anong gamit mo? Shampoo ba o yung body soap?
Regaluhan ko siya nung cellphone.
Aray ko.
Shout out sa tatay kong kalbo. love you.
Palagi mo akong pinapasaya dahil kalbo ka.
Kasi kalbo ka. Sobrang
I
love.
think that's why tuwang-tuwa din ako kay Sir Puen.
Oh my God. Shout out, Sir Pue. Isa ka sa mga favorite kong kalbo. I hope you know that.
Me too. Oh no, there's a line.
There's ang haba ng ube mama.
Be like, ate, whatever this is.
Oh, ito. This is what we want.
Yeah.
That's what we want.
Ate, what is that?
Kami lang yung napapakita.
Okay guys, I think
Alan! What's up? How are you? This is Sorry, we're vlogging for memories.
yeah.
Saan kayo papunta?
Sa Talis, magdi-dinner.
Ah, okay, okay.
Are you
Have
guys
fun.
going home na? Or tomorrow? Oh, same as
Same.
us. 5? Is it PAL?
Ah, okay.
Oh.
Ah, okay, okay.
Okay.
Ingat, ingat. Nice seeing you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. In-law. He's originally friends with my friend. And then we hung out once.
So good.
Yeah, huh?
So good.
It's so good. Ayan, back to regular programming, guys.
Okay guys,
Ube Mama is now.
we'll eat first.
We'll eat first, and then we'll get back to you.
Okay.
How do you stop this?
So hi guys, Leah and I will go ahead because Bella and Jade are not yet done showering, and we're not in a rush, but we don't want to be in a rush. So, So we'll go ahead at Two Seasons to order our food and check out na.
I don't know which one is that.
It's okay, Mina.
That is Shrek.
Tell them I also ordered the so good. Hi. We're going back home, guys.